Hey, I am recording this while I am Zooming, so I don't know if the microphone is working, but we're going to test this out. And apparently you can do both at the same time, so I thought that I would go over the modules with you, at least the first one, because I haven't looked at it yet. So I thought we could look at it together. So, let's see. So there's a week 0, which I mentioned, and that is like logistics for Canvas, which I think is really helpful, especially if students haven't used it before. I had 3 modules automatically downloaded into my courses by my distance education folks. So I mentioned this one before. Week 0 is getting started. I'm going to go through that in this video. And these are the different little points. It's got like 9 little parts to it to help students with logistics on Canvas. Then there's week 1, which is building community, finding our purpose. And then there's week 2, which is reflection and aspirations. A lot of hours are based on reading and writing strategies. You might actually find them useful. But anyhow, I'm going to go over just the first one. So it's called week 0, getting started. You can collapse your module or make them bigger if you want to see what's on there. The first one is welcome to the course. You can start here. I'm just going to leave it on the screen for a little bit so you can see it. I'll move myself like down here, maybe over here. This is all the welcome information. And if there's any that you really like, you can always email me and I can cut and paste it into a email, the text. Because whenever you want to edit it, you can. You just click edit and you can cut and paste this. So I could cut and paste it. Everything that you see here is actually set through HTML, so it's coded, which means that it's actually kind of complicated how you make all these little things look the way they do here. But basically this one is like, welcome to the class, staying open to trying new things, accessing the portal, stuff that pertains to Ventura College students. Tech support and Canvas support, distance ed support, and then navigation support. I'm going to do the same thing for my courses that I did, that I showed you before with the Button Factory, that link. I'm going to have buttons on my homepage that link to the units, which are the modules. The second one is instructor contact. That's my stuff. I'll just fill it in. Again, I'll just leave it on the screen for a sec so you can see it. These are really cute, these little icons. They're also, like, if they're green like this, it means that they pass the compatibility for ADA compliance. And if it has, like, orange, it means it's not fully compliant, or the accessibility score is, like, a medium. And then if it's red, it's, like, not good. I have quite a few orange ones and a good handful of green ones. Mine are mixed. Some of it has to do with making sure that your images have the caption or they're marked decorative. Because if you can look at the caption and tell what it's going to be speaking about, you don't necessarily have to caption it. But if you can look at an image and you don't know what it's actually telling you, then you need to caption it. That would meet ADA compliance. Number 3 is the syllabus. There's nothing here right now. I have to attach my syllabus when I finish with it. It's like the last thing I do. Canvas Basics. So for this one has a tutorial series, video series, and this is from Canvas. This is 4 minutes and 21 seconds. So if you want the video, you're welcome to you could probably Google it and find it on Canvas, or go to the Canvas page or the Commons. But if you want it, I can just click on it, I think, and send you the link. So this is like Canvas help. This page I could probably cut and paste directly to you, because there's a student guide for Canvas. I don't know how different it is for high school students. Using the Canvas mobile app. I think we talked about this one before. It's probably helpful for youngsters, the kind of students that we teach, because a lot of them are probably going to be using their phones. The next one is how to Zoom. So my courses are Zooming on the days that we would normally be using. or normally we would be in class, so we're Zooming once a week. I moved down to once a week from twice a week because of my schedule with the kids and the difficulty of trying to teach while they're around. But that's a good slide to have because some people don't know how to use Zoom. Number 7 is resources and guides for online students. This one's beautiful. And again, these are Ventura College Distance Ed resources. We have DE orientations, free office for students, online academic counseling, off-campus library access, 7 Canvas tips for successful students, and then we have net tutoring, which is online tutoring. So there's lots of different tutorials. I believe that, so if I click on one, it's a link, just like the buttons before. And then we get these different modules from the California Community College Online Education site, debunking some myths about online learning and other things like that. So these are hyperlinks and they open in a new window. Again, you don't have to use all these, of course, but you may see something that you like. So you may want to borrow that. And then, let's see, number 8, 3 ways to talk to a human. Ventura College Distance Ed Student Help Desk, Canvas support through Ventura College, and then Student Discussion Board. Yeah. And this for me is the first discussion. If you click on it, then it will link to actually a question and answer section for asking a question. And that's how that one is done. Let's see what else there is. I think that's it for this module. Okay, babe. What does it say? Oh no, there's one more. Wait, is there one more? Oh yeah, so asking a question.